What if I told you there's a way to get anything you want? And no, I'm not talking about magic, luck, or wishing on a star, but here is the simple trick I used last week to be a billionaire. I'm talking about something real, something powerful, something that has worked for the most successful people in the world. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But there's a catch. Most people will hear this and do nothing about it because they think that is just a content. Because taking action is hard. It requires commitment. It requires stepping out of your comfort zone. And let's be honest, most people would rather stay in their bubble of routine than take a risk to transform their life. But the few who take action, their lives change forever. The question is, will you be one of them? Just let me know that. Here is what I want you to do. And trust me, in the next 1 week, your life will not be the same. Step 1. Get rid of this one limiting belief. Let's start with the biggest reason most people fail: their own mind. Most people don't get what they want because they believe they can't have it. And case what happened. They tell themselves things like, I'm not smart enough, I don't have the money, it's impossible for someone like me. They let doubts creep in. They let society, their past failures, and even people around them dictate what they can and cannot achieve. But here's the truth. If you believe you can't have something, you're right. Your mind will sabotage you before you even get started. But if you shift your belief, everything changes. Your brain is like a GPS. If you keep telling it where you can't go, it won't take you anywhere. But if you program it with a destination, if you start believing it's possible, you'll find a way to get there. So here's the first step. Stop telling yourself why you can't and start asking how you can. Step 2. The rule of 3. The secret of the ultra-successful. This is something I call the rule of 3. Every time you want something, you need to do these 3 things. See it, plan it, act on it. Imagine what you want as if you already have it. Close your eyes. Picture your dream life in vivid detail. What car are you driving? What kind of house do you live in? How do you feel waking up every morning, knowing you have achieved your goal? Make it real in your mind first. Plan it. Break it down. What steps do you need to take? Write them down. Success doesn't happen by accident. A dream without a plan is just a wish. Act on it. And here's where most people fail. They never take the first step. If you don't act, nothing happens. You can have the most incredible vision, the most detailed plan, but if you don't take action, it's all useless. The first step doesn't have to be big. It just has to be something. Step 3. The power of relentless action. Now here's where things get crazy. If you want to get anything in life, you need to be relentless. That means you don't stop when things get hard. You don't stop when people doubt you. You don't stop when you fail. Because guess what? You will fail. But failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Failure is feedback. Every time you fail, you're learning, adjusting, growing stronger. The only people who never fail are the ones who never try. Here's a fact. The people who get what they want in life are not the ones who have it easy. They're the ones who keep going when everyone else quits. So ask yourself, are you willing to keep going? Step 4. The 90-day challenge. I'm going to challenge you right now. For the next 90 days, I want you to pick one thing you want. Just one. And every single day, I want you to take action toward it. No excuses, no quitting, no waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. The perfect time is now. If you do this, I guarantee you'll be 10 times closer to your goal than you are right now. But here's the thing. Most people won't do this. They'll watch this video, get inspired, and then do nothing. They'll go back to their routine, back to their comfort zone, back to living the same life they say they want to change. Will you be like them, or will you be different? Now it's your turn. If you're serious about changing your life, start right now. Comment below what you're going to commit to for the next 90 days. Make it real. Say it out loud. Let the world know what you're going to achieve. And if you want more videos like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Go take action. And remember, the people who get what they want, they don't just wish for it. They make it happen.